Welcome or welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have a guest with me and she will be preparing coconut cake, aka Toto. Yes, Jamaican coconut cake. So if you want to see how, just keep on watching. So okay guys, so here is the coconut. She already grated and she accidentally add the sugar before. But to that mixture, you're just going to add your grated coconut, your sugar, and your grated ginger. And then you're going to mix to combine. Yes, she's just mixing so everything combined together. Then she's going to add flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. And again, you mix again to combine.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine.
Step 3, and we have coconut milk. To that we're going to add vanilla, eggs, and melted butter and a bit of browning. The browning is just enough to change the color of the mixture, not a lot, okay? So we're going to mix that to combine, and we'll come back when it's time to put everything together. Keep on watching, guys. Combine our wet ingredients with our coconut mix, and we're going to mix that well. Oven should be preheating, and then you grease your pan, or you can grease your pan beforehand, but here she is just mixing. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on for future uploads, And if you enjoy what you're seeing, please share with a friend and drop me a comment at the end of the video. So this is the texture that we're looking for, and here she is greasing the baking pan. Then you grease your pan and you pour your mixture in. You put in your preheated oven and you're going to bake this for 35 to 40 minutes depending on your oven temperature and also your baking pan. Okay, so just keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Here is our tofu, guys, well cooled, and now we're slicing away, and this will be finished in no time because I love coconut. Yes. So if you enjoy this one, guys, please like, share, comment, and also comment below and tell me what you'd like to see me prepared next. And to my old subscribers, my old supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming on board for the first time, welcome. Thanks for joining the family. But to make it official, please tap the subscribe button, put your bell on, so you become an official member of the family. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.